The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to arrive later this summer, and it's pretty wild to think of where the Galaxy Z Fold series started to where it is now. Talk about a glow up. We're going to see even more improvements with the fourth generation Galaxy Z Fold, or at least that's what the rumors are saying. Once again, it should ship alongside the Z Flip clamshell phone, while the Z Fold remains the true phablet experience, opening up to a large screen when it's not in your pocket. So what exactly do we think will be different for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? Here are the biggest rumors we've heard so far, but keep in mind that these rumors are just that, so they may or may not come true. But for now, here's what we know. Let's start with a history lesson on the Galaxy phone chipsets. In the past, Samsung has used the same chipsets on the Z series and S series phone released in the same year. That should mean that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 would ship with the same chip on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, right? Wrong, maybe. It's believed Samsung will use the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 for its upcoming foldable phones, rather than the non-Plus version of the chip used on the S22 series. The result would likely be better CPU and GPU performance and even better battery life. That would be key because it's seeming like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 won't have an actual larger battery capacity than the Z Fold 3. For better or for worse, probably for worse, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series is known for the visible crease that runs down the middle part of the display that folds in two. It's an aesthetic flaw more than anything, but when you're paying $1,800 for a phone, you probably want a device that looks pretty much flawless. Well, the good news is that leaker Ice Universe is betting the Z Fold 4 crease is less pronounced or less obvious. We even saw a picture side by side of the Z Fold 3 and alleged Z Fold 4, where you can see the fold look smoother. This would be a step in the right direction for all foldable phones, not just the Fold 4. Speaking of redesign rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is apparently in line to get a new hinge mechanism. Past Fold phones have used a double hinge to handle the opening and closing of the phone. With the Z Fold 4, Samsung is allegedly shifting to a single hinge. A single hinge potentially makes for a thinner and lighter device, which would certainly be a welcome change. Less heft in your bag or pocket is always good. Better yet, the single hinge apparently helps with durability, which is a common concern for all foldable phones. You might disagree, but cameras have felt like a bit of an afterthought on previous Galaxy Z Fold phones. That could all change, with a leaker claiming the Z Fold 4 will actually have one of the best camera arrays of any Galaxy phone ever. One rumor says the main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could match the 50-megapixel sensor Samsung uses on the Galaxy S22. Meanwhile, another rumor suggests that the Z Fold 4 will instead match the Galaxy S22 Ultra and its 108-megapixel lens. Either option would be an upgrade over the 12-megapixel main camera currently used in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's sounding like the Z Fold 4 will take some stellar sharp pics, but we'll have to test that ourselves.